Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location and some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.0, which is the good. A set of figures is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Room category like room size, bed type, facilities, accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Facilities and offers are available online for this hotel along with various discounts and card then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any